How can I replace my lost Roku remote?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to replace a lost Roku remote. Losing a remote can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through the steps you can take to get a new remote for your Roku device. So, let's get started.
Contact Roku Customer Support.
The first step in replacing your lost Roku remote is to contact Roku Customer Support. They are the best resource for assisting you with this issue. You can reach out to them through various channels, such as phone, email, or live chat. Explain your situation and provide them with the necessary information about your Roku device.
Verify warranty and purchase options.
During your conversation with Roku Customer Support, make sure to verify your warranty status. If your Roku device is still under warranty, you may be eligible for a free replacement remote. They will guide you through the warranty claim process and help you obtain a new remote at no additional cost. If your warranty has expired, don't worry. Roku offers replacement remotes for purchase. Customer support will provide you with the available options and guide you on how to proceed with the purchase.
Third-party retailers.
If you prefer exploring other avenues, you can also consider checking with third-party retailers. Many electronic stores and online marketplaces sell Roku remotes separately. Make sure to check the compatibility of the remote with your specific Roku device model before making a purchase.
Roku Mobile App.
In case you need a temporary solution while waiting for a replacement remote, you can try using the Roku Mobile App. The app allows you to control your Roku device using your smartphone or tablet. Simply download the Roku app from your device's app store, ensure that your Roku device and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and follow the app's instructions to set it up as a remote.
Universal remotes.
If you're unable to find a suitable replacement remote for your Roku device, another option is to use a universal remote. Universal remotes are designed to work with multiple devices, including Roku. Check the compatibility of the universal remote with Roku devices and follow the instructions provided with the remote to set it up for use with your Roku. That wraps up our video on how to replace a lost Roku remote. Remember, the first step is to reach out to Roku Customer Support and inquire about warranty coverage or purchase options. If needed, you can also explore third-party retailers, use the Roku Mobile App as a temporary solution, or consider a universal remote. Losing a remote can be frustrating, but with these options, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite Roku channels in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.